me click!
What's on the back side of laptop? Until now, we have seen all the parts of a laptop but could not see the CPU. This is because the CPU is placed at the base of the laptop. The laptop also has a battery that can be charged so that the laptop does not require a continuous power supply. This makes the laptop portable and easy to carry anywhere. Now this is the rear view of the laptop. Here you can see the ventilation for a laptop is carried out. Now in this laptop, you can see the battery is connected from outside, so it is easily removable. On the other hand, the battery from this laptop cannot be removed easily. We need to visit the authorized service center to get the battery removed. However, if we try and remove the battery on our own by unscrewing it, then we won't get the laptop warranty benefit provided.